Welcome to this tutorial. We'll understand how to generate user stories, acceptance criteria, test scenarios, and test cases from a requirement or epic in application. Let's get started. Let's select a project from which the requirements are to be fetched to generate user stories, acceptance criteria, test scenarios, and test cases. For this tutorial, we are selecting an Excel option. Let's go to Generation from Requirement page and select either Excel or Jira or Azure DevOps option. Here, Excel would be our source file to generate artifacts. We will upload an Excel file containing all our epics or requirements. Do remember to label the column that contains requirements or epics as requirements. This is mandatory. Now, let's select the requirements from our list for which artifacts have to be generated. Select a domain which is appropriate for the project, and then Generate. We have successfully generated user stories from our epics or high-level requirements. We can see the user stories and acceptance criteria for our requirements as a report. The generated user stories can be either exported as an Excel file or could be submitted back to Jira or Azure DevOps. We will now generate test scenarios for our requirements. We generated all possible test scenarios for our user stories, and this is our exported report. Let's go one step further and generate test cases for our test scenarios. All possible test cases pertaining to the test scenarios are generated. It not only has test cases, but other details such as preconditions, test cases, expected result, and many more data points as we can see here. The same can be downloaded as an Excel report. The process remains similar for Jira and Azure DevOps, and this feature enables us to generate end-to-end artifacts from user stories to test cases just from requirements or epics. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you need any further information, please reach out to our support team.